Hey dollies, it's Kendra K, your favorite bougie bae, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all, I got my dresser done. This DIY is DI done. This minimalist glam dresser topped off my bedroom. I have 2 gold end tables that I got from Wayfair, and this dresser is from Wayfair as well. Both are in my description, which is connected to my magic links. You can find all of my favorite products down in the description. I will also comment it down below so you guys go ahead and shop. But y'all, this dresser took me 2 days. 2 days, including today, to finish. The package arrived nice and tidy. It came super packaged, like it was no bits and pieces in shambles whatsoever. Super clean packaging, very safe. It was mighty heavy. You will need a dolly to bring it up. I do have an elevator in my building, so bringing it up was like so easy. And I actually didn't bring it up. My boyfriend brought it up for me with the dolly. So, of course, I did my little 1-2 cents and held the door open for him. And, yeah, we put this dresser together. I'm finishing up today. I have 3 more drawers to do. And at this point, I am putting in the actual, like, handle part of the drawer. This is actually 2 separate things. Now, on a scale from 1 to 10, this was definitely a 12 putting together. I am not handy whatsoever. So you watch this video, don't be thinking I'm handy, okay? I am not a handy girl. I just get cute, dolled up, and your girl got brains, but your girl don't got no hands, okay? This was the easiest part of putting the dresser together and putting the legs on the actual dresser. This was so tiring. At this point, I am adding the little silver pieces. They're kind of like little coin-looking things. So if you're wondering what that is actually to secure the front drawer so it doesn't shake or make any rattling sounds or anything weird. Everything needs to be super tidy. I did not lose my screws, y'all. It came with like 500 screws, and I was so confused, and I wanted to be done as soon as I opened it and unpackaged everything out. I was so thrilled, y'all. Having a drill makes it so easy. This drill you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot for about $45 to $50 with tax. Using a automatic drill makes it so much easier than hand drilling it. The best part about getting this dresser together is everything is labeled. It's either labeled by numbers or labeled by letters. Now for the screws, it was definitely letters, and the numbers were for the actual wood pieces. I kid you not. I felt like I was in workshop class in high school. Now, that is a class that you need. You need life skills like that. So if you're trying to think, should I take an elective if you in high school? Take a woodshop class, because you're definitely going to need it. I had some difficulties where the actual outside base of the foundation of the dresser, I put some backwards. I did put some of the drawer stuff hooks backwards as well, but now everything is A-okay. I had to take that out, so that was very frustrating yesterday, and I just gave up. As much as I look like I got it all together, girl, putting this dresser up was no game whatsoever. Highly recommend for you to get a drill. Do not use a regular screwdriver. Now, there's certain pieces where the drill is actually too powerful, and you can make the little thing like kind of mess up a little bit, like the wood lift up a little bit because the drill is so strong. So sometimes I don't actually hold the gray part down on the screwdriver. I actually do like little taps and allow it to screw in gently to refrain from breaking or anything. Now, I love this dresser so much. The drawers are a nice size, a lot of wiggle room in here. I do have a walk-in closet. I will be doing a walk-in closet tour when I get my closet together, when I have it nice and organized. I have my cubbies, I have my handbag holders and all that. I will show y'all the closet. But till then, we are almost finished with the bedroom. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the drawer. The drawer glides in super easy, so I'm actually trying to make sure it's on the rail. You do have to make sure the wheel is actually in front and at the back. which I thought was so weird. Now, figuring out what was the front and the back when I put it in that last board piece in the back, that white part that's actually inside of the drawer, I had to just make sure I put in one drawer to see what side was the front or was the back. That was the only thing that helped me out with figuring out what was the front and the back. But other than that, the dresser came out really, really, really well. Like, I feel like I just paid somebody to assemble this. I did an amazing job. 10 out of 10. I can't wait to put my clothes in the drawer. I am watching All American, the homecoming version. I like All American 20 times better than the normal first season of the other one. It's just a little bit more boring and more cliche. I don't really like it like that. You guys let me know in the comment section down below if you're watching the new season. It is season 2. I don't really know their names like that, to be honest. I just love the show so much. I've been binge watching it while I've been putting together these drawers, and it has made the process so much easy. If you want to play music or watch a show while you're doing this, I highly recommend as well. Now I'm on the last drawer. We're going ahead and putting in that first piece with the handle, and go ahead and secure the pieces in. You have to put some at the bottom and some at the side so it can lock in the screws. You see those little tiny sections at the side, those little wood pieces? You have to put the little silver coin thing in there, screw it in so it can stay nice and secure and lock in, because without it, it will fall into pieces, and you do not want your masterpiece to be crappy. You want it to be put together. Once again, the dresser will be linked in the description down below. I will be taking you guys through the entire process of me decorating my apartment. I am decorating my apartment in sections. I started off with the couch in the living room, then the bed. Those are the two major furnitures that I started off with. Then I went to the dining table. In the bedroom, I will be doing white, black, and gold accent. In my bathroom, I am doing black, silver, and white. In the living room, I am doing silver, just because the handles and all the little accent pieces in my kitchen. I do have dark brown cabinet space and silver accent metals, so I wanted to keep everything all silver out there. Minimal glam is my go-to. If you miss my other videos, I will be making a whole series of decorating my entire apartment. I did a apartment tour and I did a furniture shopping tour, TJ Maxx, where I'm buying the decor and all that. But this is a finished product. You guys go ahead and check out my other videos.